क्या आउटफिट है। Guys, finally we're done with the third shoot and Haris seems very happy. आप ये मुस्कुराहट ही देख लें।
Guys, आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा मैंने 3 दिन से ये शर्ट पहनी हुई है। यही के दिन में 3 शूट किए।
So finally we are back home.
जालिम 2 घंटे का शूट कराया।
तो अच्छा नहीं है, वर्कआउट हो गया।
मुझ में बचा गया।
Call it Christmas on my wrist, cause he let it decorate. But that's what diamonds on my bezel, now I got a different face. And they heard my shit sweet, now these niggas wanna taste. I like these niggas, street niggas, finish shopping. He don't be in the scene, nigga, clean nigga, mean nigga, type I need nigga. Ain't fucking with these hoes. It's free nigga, but they're busy, I'ma hit your mind down. I'm a boss ass bitch, call me Big Mama. Chain bitch.
Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. So Mannequin sent in this cute package my way. They have a 25% off sale चल रही है, ठीक है, Ariana collection lenses पे, and with my code you get 1,000 rupees off, ठीक है. So now would be the perfect time if you want to check out their lenses. Asian skin tones पे suit करता है, and then we have this shade Wild Stone, which I think is a grey sa shade. So check out their lenses. They have a sale. Swipe up and use the code Farah if you want to avail the awesome sale. Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all doing well. So I'm here to quickly unbox a few PR packages. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको एक shoes दिखाऊंगी, heels दिखाऊंगी कुछ, क्योंकि a lot of you ask me पाकिस्तान से अच्छे heels कहाँ से मिलेंगे. So the page that I'm sharing is shoe. Now all these shoes के pairs जो आप देख रहे हैं, these are sent to me by Shoe Square, ठीक है. First up, just look at these ones. They seem so damn cute, ठीक है, और क्योंकि इसकी block heel है, so they're gonna be like really comfortable as well. इसमें you can get and you know glitter, not sequins actually, glitters वाले heels. And they again are very pretty, especially if you're into pink heels. It's a baby pink shade. ये वाले heels तो आपने मुझे मतलब बहुत दफ़ा देखा होगा पहने हुए. They are super dirty, right? One of my favorite shoes by them, ठीक है. Another pair जो कि मैंने recently एक वीडियो में use किया था. They're again very pretty. इसमें pink shade भी another shade. And check out this one. So you can check out their collection by going on to their page. This package is by Organic Glow. They've sent in quite a lot of products and I am quickly going to show you what they've sent me. First up we have this vitamin C serum. Now this is oil based, ठीक है. This is for all skin types. And next up we have this caffeine serum by them, ठीक है. This is meant for dark circles, wrinkles and eye puffiness. इसकी metallic सी tip है which actually gives off a very cooling effect and they say you can use it all over your face. ये काफ़ी जो है hydrating. Next up we have this hair serum जिनका hair fall होता है उनको repair and heal करने के लिए, ठीक है. It has all these bomb ingredients which you can read out और 8 drops आपने अपने किसी भी oil में इसको add करके use करना होता है. And this पे we have all these beautiful lip and cheek tint के shades. इनकी खुशबू बिल्कुल अर्के गुलाब की तरह है, ठीक है. They are a thicker formula, watery रनी से नहीं है और ये इनके swatches हैं. These are actually very pretty and refreshing. Next up, this PR is by the page Hangout and they've sent me some very cute printed cotton ke trousers. So look at this one, again very cute, iska print, theek hai. They've also sent me some shirts, cotton. I have another one, I'm just going to quickly open them up and show you what they look like. And this here is another print. Ye jo hai is basically a kameez. सबसे पहले we have this cute सा light blue kurta जिसकी pockets भी हैं. This is what the cuffs look like. Another very refreshing yellow and green सा shade. This here is the tie-dyed shirt. I really like such prints. And end पे we have white cotton की t-shirt. So we have this glow box by Glimaxi. Now it is a monthly subscription box और इसके अंदर sheet masks होते हैं, Korean skincare products होते हैं और monthly आपको जो है ये box receive हो जाता है. इनकी चल रही है भाई Eid sale up to 60% off and free delivery है 6,000 orders के ऊपर, ठीक है, या more. And if you get like buy 3 or more products from CeraVe की range, इनकी list ordinary की range, so you're gonna get a free sheet mask as well. Now because I have an oily skin, ठीक है, जो कि काफ़ी sensitive, they've sent me the products accordingly. Pixi का glow mud mask है which is actually very nice, ठीक है, जिनकी acne prone skin होती है oily. Then they've sent me this Niacinamide का serum. Very nice brand and this is what it looks like. Then we have this very cute सा peppermint lip balm, बहुत मज़े की इसकी खुशबू है. We have this sleeping mask. I have used this, again a very nice product. and some sheet masks which are a must and I love using them. So thank you so much for sending these products in, and you can subscribe to their monthly subscription box to get